Unahin ko na to, ha? Itong mga legal fronts ng komunista, lahat yan, makabayan, bayan, they are all legal fronts. Gabriela, hindi yan sila, we are not red tagging you. We are identifying you as members in a grand conspiracy comprising all the legal fronts that they have organized, headed by NDF. Tapos yung struggle, ang New People's Army, NDF, at Communist Party of the Philippines. Ilang tao na nagaling doon sa inyong camp that openly have attacked you, not only criticize for your sheer brutality in this communal war. Communal war ito, there is no longer any ideology. Wala itong mga komunista, wala ng ideology. Gusto lang nila umagaw ng gobyerno. Mga bobo naman ang putang ina. Sino ang mga bright? Si Sison? Yun yung bright si Sison? Sus Mariusep. Iharap mo si Sison sa akin, magdebate kami. Ano nakuha mo dyan sa ideology na communism? You are accusing red tagging you. No, the armed forces of the Philippines is very correct. You are being identified as the members of the communist pala, alam namin. Yun ang totoo, hindi red tagging. Yung sa Sarate, kasi lahat kayo. Kita mo? Tapos abogado ng Sus Mario Sepera. Alam ko, sabihin ko, ngailangan ka ng pera. That's the only reason. Komunista ka to defend an oligarch. Hindi ka naman summa cum laude. Pareho naman tayo pumasa ng bar. Kung magsalita ka, you make it appear that we are milking the government of... It's you. Alam mo sa totoo, Sarate, pag nakita kita sa TV, para akong nakakita ng tae ng iro. Para akong nakakita ng tae ng aso. Totoo lang.